Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you automate follow process to leads who joined your webinar but they have not enrolled to your course. We will set up by using the Pabbly. How can we automate the people like automate this workflow? I can explain you. Whenever they are registered by using the form in website link, you can check our previous video in our YouTube channel. This is the workflow and the video. After that, they have attended your webinar, but they have not enrolled your course. For them, we have to win the leads to get the sales, more sales by using this automation. Basically, this is the manual trigger. First step was the manual trigger. Whenever we'll update the date and the S trigger, this workflow will be triggered. Basically, we are getting the Zoom data from the whoever joined the meeting and more than 30 minutes for them only we are sending the gift coupon messages for the to get more sales by using this process. I'm explaining today about this workflow. They have attend the webinar but not enrolled to our courses. Basically, whenever you keep the trigger S in that column, it will check the column is updated triggered yes or no. Based on that only the it will go to the next step. From the next step we are getting the data from the metadata. In that we have put it the indexes for the get the template messages for the sending whom which template message we have to send them to the free gifts. After that we will get the indexes from the another sheet because we want to send thousand of customer thousand of leads. That's why we are keeping these indexes because it will not take at a time thousand. That's why we kept the based on the rows we'll take iterator. After that we are getting the customer data. After that we are iterating those data and we are formatting the phone number and we are checking the lead is attended the webinar uh, equal to 30 minutes or greater than the 30 minutes of the meeting. After that, we are searching that lead in our CRM because we have already run the campaign in the Facebook, and from them we are registering through Facebook through the website form. The leads are already there in our database. But after the meeting, they are which they are joined with a new email or he is the new lead. Based on those details, we are checking their details and we are updating on our CRM and how many minutes you join those details. So we are updating the Zoho CRM. After that, we are sending the gift WhatsApp template message for the meeting. And if we did not found by via phone number, we are searching with the email, and after that, we are sending the second message to the customer, and after that, this we are forwarding to send two more gifts like second message and nurturing the third message. After that, we are converting that into sales. This is the first workflow. We go to the second workflow. After sending the second message, we are putting the third message after 1 day, and we are sending one more gift message. Thanks for receiving our gift. So you can register by using this link like that. And third message, if he is not also done the thing, we are sending the promotional code to them and to join the our course. Thank you. Subscribe to our Vijay Tech channel. If you have any doubts, you can message in the comments or you can reach out to us. Thank you.